Where does the name for Cumbria come from? So today I'm in the north of England and I'm on the banks of the River Derwent, and this area that I'm in now is called Cumbria. Let's get into the name.
The name Cumbria is an ancient one. Its earliest known record appears in the Anglo-Saxon Chronicle in the year 945, where both Cumbria and Cumberland are mentioned. Cumbria and Cumberland are actually both the same word, but in different languages. Cumbria is the medieval Latin form of cumber, with the Latin suffix ia added to it to make it fit Latin grammar. This ia suffix is used to create country names like in Grecia, Greece, Persia, Persia, and Britannia, Britain. Cumberland is the Old English form, with land simply meaning land. So if it's the land of the Cumber, what does Cumber mean? Cumber comes from the Old English Cumbre, borrowed from the Cumbric word Cumbri, meaning the Brittonic-speaking people of the region. This word comes from the same root as the Welsh name for Wales, Cymru, and the Cornish word for Wales, Cembra. It's descended from the reconstructed Brythonic Combrogos, with com meaning together or same, and brogos meaning territory or country, so literally compatriots. Until around the 11th century, much of this area spoke a language related to Welsh, and you can see it in place names across the whole region. After the collapse of the Roman Empire, this area was part of a Brittonic kingdom called Rheged. After Rheged was absorbed into the expanding kingdom of Bernicia during the 7th century, the region gradually became part of another Brittonic kingdom known as Strathclyde, or simply Cumbria in many English language sources, before coming under the overlordship of the Gaelic-speaking kingdom of Alba, until William II incorporated Carlisle and much of modern-day Cumbria into the Kingdom of England in 1092, where the new county of Cumberland preserved the name of the old kingdom. In 1974, the modern county of Cumbria was created, and though split up administratively since 2023, it still exists as a ceremonial county. In Welsh, this region is part of Yr Hen-Ogledd, the Old North, the Brittonic-speaking lands that lay north of modern Wales. Some of the earliest surviving Welsh poetry celebrates the kings of this region, such as Urien Rheged, and poets such as Taliesin. Although the language eventually disappeared from Cumbria, it left its mark on the landscape. Place names such as Penrith, Blencathra, Carrick, Trepenna and Carlisle all preserve words from this lost Brittonic language, making Cumbria one of the richest places in England for surviving Celtic place names.
So the name literally means the land of the compatriots. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, like today, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.